Ang osteoarthritis ay natutulot ng pananakit ng kasukasuan at hadlang sa pagkilos. Ang kalusugan nito, alagang Artemisinin. Ito ay may glucosamine converted MSM at collagen 2 na makakatulong sa kalusugan ng kasukasuan sa araw-araw na pag-inom. Artemisinin, kalusugan ng kasukasuan.
Nung nag-join ako sa Avon, marami na nag-join. May sarili na kaming bahay. Wala nang tanong-tanong, kikita ka na. Basta marunong ka lang mga.
Join the 5 million women behind G Company for Women. Join Avon today and say hello tomorrow. Coca-Cola, in collaboration with global retail brand Bench, launched the Great Coke Wear a Smile promo through a one-of-a-kind fashion show last January 15th. Young models paraded the runway in hip designs and with refreshing optimism. These shirts highlight the positive shout-out na makukuha mo from drinking Coke. As ambassador of the Smile, Coke gave an encouraging message to never lose a smile, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. This ended with a ceremonial toast for the partnership of smiles between Coke and Bench. The fun celebration continues as you too can collect all the elite Coke Smile shirts. Drink Coke and look under the crown or cap.
Beautiful-eyes ka no? Beautiful-eyes ka?
Wear a smile every day. Mag-smile.
O, gel-gel ka no?
Mag-Coke lang syempre.
O, nasan daw yung tit mo? O, flying kiss daw yan? Flying kiss? Flying kiss! O, flying kiss me! Ay, doon na ka, babay na ako. Flying kiss me pa mo.
Bilis ha?